Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this glamorous makeup look. But before we begin, if you're new here, I'm Param, the professional makeup artist, and I post beauty related content here. So if you're interested, please hit that small icon right on this corner to subscribe to my channel and also that bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. All of us love looking at glamorous makeup looks. However, we hesitate for creating them for ourselves, mainly because we think that it might look cheap and overdone on ourselves. So that's why I'm here to solve that problem, and I'm going to help you create this glamorous makeup look, which is super simple and easy and just requires a few extra steps. So let's not waste any further time and get started with it. Beginning with a face that has been cleansed, toned and moisturized well, let's begin with the primer, and I'm using my usual Benefit Professional Primer. Let's begin with some color correction now, and I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NW45 for my under eye darkness and acne scars. After my color correction, I like to usually go in with my foundation before I apply my concealer. So today I am going to be using the Cover FX Oil Free Foundation in the shade G+60 and blending it with a beauty blender. Now I am going to use my concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and applying it on my under eyes and the visible acne scars. Also applying a small drop of the same concealer on my eyelids and blending it in to create a base for my eye makeup. Next, I'm going to use the Chanel Loose Powder and set the base in place. I'm now using the Ferrero Eyebrow Kit and filling in my eyebrows before I begin doing my eye makeup. Beginning with the eye makeup, today I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette and picking up my first color, which is Orange Soda. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying it just above my crease line and blending it in place. Next, I am picking the color Dusty Rose and applying it on my eyeball area. Now I am picking the shade Mulberry and using a small brush, I am going to be applying it on the outer V of my eyes and blending it with a brush. Since I wanted an offbeat color for my lower lash line, I am using the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics and applying this blue shade on my lower lash line. Next, I fused use the Lakme Absolute Liquid Eyeliner in black color to apply a winged eyeliner. Now let's curl the lashes and apply mascara, and I'm using my usual Climax mascara from NARS. Next, for the bronzer, I'm using my usual Gula from Benefit. For my blusher, I picked up the Smashbox blusher and applying it on the apples of my cheek and blending it into my hairline. Time now for the highlighter, and I'm using Opal from Becca. Lastly, for my lipstick, I used a lipstick palette from PAC Cosmetics in the shade 02 Nude, and I picked up this light pink shade and applied it and blended it using a lip liner from Color Bar in the shade Pure Vino 017. And that's it, you guys. That's the glamorous look that I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.